Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for printify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Stores feature at the top left corner and then select the Manage Stores feature. Now, click on the Add New Store button at the top right corner and you will see all of the available platforms displayed on your screen. Simply select TikTok from the web page and you'll be asked a bunch of questions. You can either create a new store or just use an existing one. I will create a new one and select Connect. Next, checkmark both of these statements and click on the Connect button again. Then, you will be prompted to select the region. After that, sign into your TikTok Shop account and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. So that's basically how you can connect Printify to TikTok Shop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.